Perfect day to make a POV video. Out in the rain, thunderstorms, let's go. She getting ready. I should have went the other way, cause that's where it's flooded at. Damn, I should have turned back then. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Sitting up in here, I ain't trying to test my luck, man, cause like I say, 12 be sitting, boy. Shit, that was police. That thing sounds so good. Man, I gotta go show y'all my boy truck out here. One of these days, I'm gonna go out there and show y'all the truck, but he got a nice little setup. I'm gonna do a review on. I'm gonna hit him up, and we'll try and do a review on his truck. Hit me all in the face. Yeah, I'm saying. Traction control trying to kick in. Should have turned it off. That was a weak dig. Yeah, that was real weak. Sounds so good, man. Dang, this was well worth the money. If I didn't rub as bad, I would be whipping this thing. Drive in the rain. Woo! Yeah, there you go. As you guys can see, with 50% windshield tint, it really don't look that bad. Like, you probably wouldn't even notice that it was tinted since I'm just not saying something. Like, it really don't look bad at all. Now, I do have a sunroof, of course, so the sunroof is open. Well, the shade part is open anyway, half of it. But still, like, it still wouldn't be that bad. Like, if you're thinking about getting your windshield tinted, 50% is like the perfect happy medium, because it's not too dark and it's not too light. To me, it's kind of light, but it's only when the sun is out, it's real bright outside, and if the sun is hitting that direction, then you'll be able to see inside. Come on, truck. Pull out in front of me like that. Damn, I should have turned. Oh yeah, I can do it right here. Like, have a little. trying to fishtail a little bit right there. I should turn the traction control off, man, but you know, I'm gonna be a smart guy and leave it on. Knowing me, I might end up somewhere I don't want to be. Maybe I'll turn it off at some point. This will be a good spot to turn it off though. Turn it off and just let it rip. But like I say, man, police been out lately. They really been out here. Like, no cap. Absolutely no drone. I got another video coming out. We'll talk about that more later. Right there. That's exactly why I didn't do it. I was about to hit it too. And there's police coming through the road right here. That's a nice little flooded area right here. Go this way. It's really not that loud on the inside. No drone, nothing. So, I mean, it's still kind of loud, but it's not as loud as you may think. Maybe that makes sense. So, I should have put this thing in sport mode, but I'm gonna do that another day. Just kind of want to cruise around, tap the gas a little bit here and there, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Enjoy the sounds of this Borla Atak. And I need some gas. I was gonna get out here and have a little fun, but just like a little slight little cruise. Let you guys hear the tone of the Borla Atak and the 5.0. That Coyote something serious now. Anyway, man, that's gonna be all for today's video. If you like this video, if you like to see more POV videos, just let me know. Put it down in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel if you ain't yet. And we will catch you guys on the next video.